It's Christmas time. We are on the way back to Manly. And here they are, the first Sydney Hobart participants. We take it easy. While Manly gets groomed for Christmas, we prepare for some sailing. It's our last opportunity this year to hit the Pacific. We didn't see the south part of Sydney from the ocean, so we decided to do a little tour to Bondi Beach and also refill our water tanks. It turns out to be a nice sailing. 15 to 20 knots wind. Hardly any swells. And pure sunshine. It feels good being out here again, though it also reminds us of the dangers at sea. Jade Akka is in good shape. Everything works well. So we enjoy our home. There's not much traffic, so we just enjoy the sun. And sometimes check if the water maker is doing well. As the skyline of Sydney slowly changes, we approach Bondi. There we tack and simply head back. As we turned from sailing with the wind to sailing against the wind, it gets a bit less comfortable. But just a little bit. The sail trim may not be as good as when racing, but we definitely pay a bit more attention than on the long passages. Grinding on Jade Akka can be really exhausting. And that's definitely part of the fun. So we are quicker back than expected. The entrance to Sydney Harbor is straight ahead. Our next anchorage has a very special purpose. We want to see the start of the yacht race Sydney to Hobart. We sail all the way into the anchorage. No motoring.
Get the race start, Sydney Hobart. Mom.
In Watson's Bay we drop anchor and enjoy a wonderful sunset. Tomorrow this will be the racetrack. For now it's calm and peaceful. Time to get dinner ready.
Christmas barbecue. What else?
Merry Christmas, everybody! Next morning, quiet is over. Helicopters all over the place. ships all over the place. And in the center, the race boats warming up. Then 1 o'clock, race start. The big 100-foot maxi yachts take the lead. The spectator fleet starts moving along. The air is vibrating. The water starts cooking. Even Jade Akka gets rocked. Tension on board these yachts must be enormous. All the competitors you have to take care of, the wind, and also some shallows.
That's Comanche coming against us, and they need to turn now.
Oh, that's so cool. Wow, it's all together. All the ships going one direction.
Ja. Gut gewählt. Das Kripo wieder mal eine gute Entscheidung getroffen.
Soon the big black squareheads make their last tack. They leave the harbor, followed by the helicopters and high-speed motorboats. In the meantime, the boats of the size of Jade Akka pass by. A few minutes later it gets quiet and we watch the start on YouTube. And we chill out in the next wonderful sunset. The next day we explore posh Watson's Bay. Then we sail back to Blackwattle Bay.
Langsam ein gewohnter Anblick.
Even though it's not the first time anymore, it remains a spectacular view. We keep sailing as the wind is perfect, even though there is some traffic. After a short peek into Darling Harbour, we turn to Blackwattle Bay.
Jetzt 20 Grad abfallen.
Since our arrival, we have toured many neighborhoods, and by now we are familiar with the most important ones. Therefore, the next few days will be spent for maintenance.
Mhm.